Guys, it's fucking here. It's here. My Freddy Funko 2-packs. Ooh. Come on, let it be a chase inside. Wait, was it open? And then resealed? Did they reuse the box? No damage? Okay, cool. Damn, I thought it was open and resealed. Alright guys. I've been waiting all week for this. You know what this is? That's right. The FREDDY funday. I want to open one, and I'll let my wife open the other one. See if we're lucky. Oh, and it comes in these boxes. What? Oh, sweet Jesus, Lord. No damage, no damage. Okay. Alright. Question is, what side do I choose? Left or right? Left or right? I'm choosing this one. $105. Come on, let me get a chase. Unboxing. I feel good today. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Come on, baby. I feel like a Christmas kid on Christmas morning. Alright. Sealed. That's great. Come on. 1 out of 6, right? Out of 30,000. I want to see. You guys let me know. I got a chase. I got a chase. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Seal can. Let's see. What's up, man? This is a chase. Let it be a chase. Common. It's fine. Kid Flash, baby. Can. 30,000. Review time. Let's go. Just heavy. Let it be a chase. I need a chase. Look, you look. I can't tell. What is it? Ah, a comment. How do you know if it's a chase? It would say chase, right? But, awesome. Let's fucking go.